Webstoreslimited.com is one of the top websites that teach you how to sell online. Webstores is an e-commerce consulting agency, but it is also a definitive source when you want to learn how to sell online. If you are looking for information on how to implement a shopping cart software, merchandise your products on the internet, do online marketing that helps you sell more, discover new ways to get found and convert visitors into customers, technical tips and tricks about WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms, then you owe it to yourself to check out the blog at blog.webstoresltd.com. The title of this blog is appropriately named Energize Your Website, and it has become one of the most visited sites on the internet regarding how to sell online. Topics are not limited to specific platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or Shopify, but the information that is shared can be applied to anyone who sells on marketplaces, social media, or their own website. Plus, if you sign up to receive our newsletter, you will get all this amazing information delivered right to your inbox each and every week. Learn about all aspects of selling online, including store setup, best practices, product landing pages, shipping, payment methods, fulfillment, and more. Sign up for our newsletter at webstoresltd.com so you don't miss a single blog article.